What's up, my pungios? Andy with Tech Influence here. As the title suggests, I am not recommending the Otterbox Defender Pro case that I have in the last many years for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And here is why. As you can see, the case itself is reinforced with silicone. It's made out of TPU material on the inside as well to be able to give you that 3 or 4 layer protection that gives you well past the military grade. They tout that it's 7 times as much as the military standard, but as you can see, it seems like there are some significant issues with the build of this. The camera control button is a completely cut out button from the entire case itself. In my opinion, it seems like that this is probably the most faulty point of the case itself. They wanted to add MagSafe into the Defender Pro, and so you can tell that the entirety of the case is much less quality. It's thinner, it's not as robust, and it feels like it's a cheaper build. And lastly here, they do have the snap-on clip that goes to your belt or your guard or whatever it is, but this is sold separately. At the time of this video, there was a promotion going on where they provide this for free, but in the case itself, if you were to order this third party or pass the promotion, you're gonna have to pay for the clip. That makes this almost over $100 case when it used to be under 70. With that said, the folks at Otterbox did not provide this to me complimentary and did not sponsor this video. However, this video is sponsored for my channel sponsor, Andar. If you wanna get yourself premium leather goods that protect and give you MagSafe capability with really high quality, genuine leather, wait till the end of the video here for a good promotion on that product. With that said, let's go over this, demonstrate it, show you what you're getting yourself into, and seeing despite all its flaws, if this is something you're interested in. All right, here's the Otterbox Defender Pro, showing you their most elegant and toughest case out there, arguably the toughest in the market. As you can see here, it's kind of the tried and true multi-layer protection, although I'm noticing that it's a little bit lighter and narrower, as well as a big fat chunk cut out right here for the camera control. Sold separately is the phone clip, which normally it came with. Last year it came with this. That's a little disappointing here that the 4th layer of this is sold separately. It did come free, but for how long? Peeling it apart here does take some effort. You peel off the TPU, rubber silicone backing. The inner core is polycarbonate and it does have multi-layers. You have to clip it off at each one of these little arrow points, making it for a 4-step, 4-piece protection. I like that. You do have like this memory foam type product here that is supposed to give you protection, although this just looks like regular foam. It's not like a memory foam material, whereas in the past it was a little bit more spongy. That's a little disappointing. Let's go ahead and put our phone in there. You first place the top piece on. It's then going to clip into the bottom piece, giving you that interlocking mechanism. You don't really have access to anything else, but you can see that you've got the magnets here that do protrude out and you can see them clearly. They are gonna fit softly right into that silicone cutout, which makes it a little bit less protective. Rounding out the last step is just folding this into each spot, giving you much more thickness than normal cases would, about 1/4 of an inch all the way around in total. Although this feels a little bit less thick, which might be a good thing. Buttons are plasticky. You do have the clip part for that clip that's sold separately. You do have a guard here for your charging, which is nice and protective. On the other side here, you have your volume rocker and action button, and you still have the ability to make content with your camera control while having this massive gaping hole there, which I think is a little unnecessary. I mean, look how much extra room they could have added to it. I don't know. I don't like that at all. It's just massive. Like, what if you hit right there? Then you lose all of your drop grade protection. I mean, that's what this Defender Pro is. I don't know. Coming up close, as you can see, the backside does have this ergonomic feel and grip. It's grippy, which is nice. Silicone protection for your camera. MagSafe, Otterbox. I don't know, I'm a little bent. I don't think it's worth it. This is a little disappointing here. MagSafe is still capable. You can do Qi2 Charging Puck, which is nice. Maximum Qi2 charging, 25 watts up to that grade. Or if you want to throw on something a little more content creation friendly, you can throw that on here. This charges 15 watts, 5,000 milliamp battery, which is nice. You also have a shutter button and the access to all of the different ShiftCam products like this light, which is kind of cool. But I don't know, guys, I don't like it. It just doesn't make sense to have this big old chunk ripped off of there. I don't like it. Lastly here is the belt clip. As you can see, typically this used to come with it for free at the same price, but now you have to purchase it separately. They did give it to me for free, but it was separate packaging. It was a separate line item. The Defender Pro usually has this, but now after that promotion is gone, you're gonna have to pay an extra 30 bucks for this if you didn't get it during the promotion. That is really infuriating. While it does give you that extra protection, that fourth layer, you gotta pay more. It's over $100 now, which it used to be under 70. That's too bad. Andar in Spanish means to carry, and this is my everyday carry here for my iPhone 14, my iPhone 15. Andar features a wide variety of high-end luxury leather goods, including bags, handbags, wallets, cases, watch straps for your Apple Watch, and wallets to boot. I love my Aspen, which comes in a myriad of different colors. If you want to opt into the brown for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, or if you wanted to opt into the clamshell case for your MacBook Pro, I have the moss color and I love how that full grain leather just looks on the back of my computer. I also have the watch strap, which is a great way to be able to add to your Apple Watch and have luxury on the go. Andar sources the leather ethically, and they have excellent customer service in the event you have a question, a concern, or a need. Check out down below in the description for a 15% off code using Tech Influence for a coupon here on your first order. Check out those links as well, as they do help out the channel. With that said, I think in conclusion, this is the most disappointed I've been with the Otterbox cases. Like I described in my demonstration, I really hate that they have this big old chunk cut out here for the camera control. I really think they had to hold back on the actual build in its entirety. It doesn't feel as thick or as robust as in past iterations. And that's probably because of the existence of this MagSafe compatible case. They really had to thin out, I think, the silicone on the back here to make sure that the MagSafe magnets go through so that you can use it. With that said, I would not recommend the Defender Pro from Otterbox. I'm a little disappointed here that they unfortunately did not execute as well as I did. And I'm also upset here that you have to purchase the clip separately. They did provide it here free in the order because of a promotion, but for those who don't purchase this during the promotion, you're gonna have to spend extra money on top of the already very expensive case. I am disappointed. I think they really messed up here, and you're gonna be spending over $100 for a case that was once under 70. With that said, if you do want a more robust, more timeless case, I'd recommend Andar. Don't forget to use my link down below and Tech Influence for 15% off your first order. This video is sponsored from Andar. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Andy with Tech Influence here. Don't get this guy. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.